If you thought the quality of videos couldn't get any worse, well, you were so terribly wrong. Hi there, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to put on a face mask improperly. So first you're going to want to start out by getting the hair out of your face with whatever this is. Alright. Now you want to get your thingamajigger and put it in your hand, like so. And then you want to place it all over your face, like so. I should have gone to the bathroom before this. So now basically you're going to want to wait for it to dry. And it's going to feel dry when it feels dry. Now once your face mask has dried, you'll want to kind of stretch it out, like stretch your face, get it off a little bit, and then start peeling it off. Like so. It's a little bit off, and if any of it gets in your hair, it's gonna hurt some. So we're gonna go here. Get it all off. It's kind of satisfying, like peeling off dead skin. You know that feeling? Probably not. Because, like, I'm weird. And if you can't get some of that off, you can probably get it off with a rag or something. Anyways, here's the remains of this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was poorly made and horrible. You probably shouldn't have watched it. Bye.